This is a GMC Sierra 2000. This here is rusty, but we're going to look under here and what we got. Okay, so we got this shock here. Somebody welded a pipe in here because this whole part is gone, so they put a pipe there, tried to stick this pipe inside here, there, so that's no good here.
Come over here.
And also,
perfect picture of it.
Yeah, you see it sticking out right there. They didn't do that all the way. They should have had it all the way, I guess. And then up this way, there's a gas leak up here. Lines are really, really, really rusty up here. So there's very rusty gas lines there. And it got leaks. And here's one that has a hole in it, a rust hole right there. So that's kind of dangerous, especially up here, because their converter is right here. So they leak on that converter, then there's going to be fire. So that needs to be fixed. They need to be fixed sooner rather than later. Alright, some people run the gas lines a different way, but I don't think that's very good, because there's a reason why it's running up top. If it run down the side, you got two converters on each side that's going to be very hot, so it's best to put them back the way it was supposed to be on this one. Alright.